Hello and welcome to another episode of Boxing with Paul. And today, I'm excited to bring you the RK61 mechanical keyboard. Let's take a look at it. I'm very excited to finally be bringing a mechanical keyboard because I have been wanting one of these for years. Without getting too expensive, I went ahead with this budget option that can be found on Amazon for $49.99. When we get into the box, we get a user manual along with a little cardboard ruler. Very cool. And let's go ahead and get our keyboard out of here. I'm gonna put that aside for now. Let's see what else we get in the box. Looks like in the box we got some spare switches, I think, as I am new to the mechanical keyboard club. We also get a USB-A to USB-C cable with its own Velcro wire management, as well as a keycap puller. Is this a keycap puller? I guess, a keycap and a switch puller 2-in-1. Very, very cool. Although, again, I don't know how this works, and I don't know if this is a good one or not. But nonetheless, that's all we get in the box. I'm going to put that aside for right now. As stated before, this is my very first mechanical keyboard, and I have been wanting to get one of these for a very long time. This one in particular is a 60% keyboard with RGB. And this keyboard is not Bluetooth enabled, so it is only a wired construction. And can we just take a second to appreciate the keyboard? Very, very nice layout. There are no kick feet on this. There are no kickstands. However, I don't think you're going to be needing that, seeing as how aggressive and how steep the curve on this keyboard is. So this is a mechanical keyboard where you can remove the keycaps, of course, to reveal the arcade blue switches that are underneath. So this is a fairly small keyboard. Again, it's a 60%. So it is meant to take up very, very little space in your desk. And it is just very, very nice sounding. Again, this is my first mechanical keyboard. And can we just give it a very quick test? Very nice keyboard. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like with its LEDs all lit up. So to reiterate, this keyboard is hot swappable, and I was looking at very many other keyboards, and just for that $60, you really can't beat a keyboard of this not caliber, I guess, because again, this is still a starter keyboard, but again, it is hot swappable. You can swap out those switches, you can swap out those keycaps, and of course, you can always do a whole bunch of mods. Add stabilizers, lube up your switches, even add sound dampening material. And just real quick, that USB-C cable, it is a 6-foot cable. Let's go ahead and plug it into our power bank and see our keyboard all nicely lit up. I'm gonna plug it in there. And there we go. We're gonna turn off our lights so that we can appreciate our keyboard a little bit more. Oh, that's hot. beautiful. Holy cow, yeah. So again, I've been wanting one of these for the longest, and I'm finally glad I got it. I don't know much else about keyboards. This is just an unboxing video. I don't know if I will be modding this. At the very least, I would like to lube up the switches a little bit more so they don't sound as raspy, and at least add some more sound dampening material so that I have more of that thump rather than a click. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you comment so you can be entered into that 1,000 subscriber giveaway. The moment we reach 1,000 subscribers, we're going to give you away an Alcatel Joy Tab 2 tablet. All you have to do is comment, and you don't have to be subscribed, but if you're subscribed, it certainly helps us get there a lot quicker. And as always, thanks for watching.